some kind of lie at the end when touching the edge of her skin.
Oh, Jimmy, the large-handed boy!
That's me! Oh no, Mom! I have a problem!
What is it, son?
I just got my new iPod machine and I can't turn it on!
Really?
Check this out! I can't seem to... What am I gonna do?
Well, why can't you turn it on?
Cause I got such big hands and a little iPod machine!
I'm sorry. How about I take your iPod?
Don't! Give it back! What do I say about people who grab? What do I say about people who grab?
They're very bad.
People who grab aren't very fab. That's what I say about people who grab, Mom. Oh no, Mom! I have another problem!
What is it, son?
Well, I bought this Rockstar fruit punch, and I can't seem to drink it!
Why not?
Well, look!
Uh-oh.
It gives a... Hey! Give me back my Rockstar fruit punch! Give me back my Rockstar fruit punch! Jump! My hands!
What happened to them? Where did your hands go?
They fell off!
They fell off?
My hands fell off!
His hands fell off.
Oh no, Mom! I have another problem!
What is it, son?
Well, my iPod Touch, second generation, broke!
I broke it.
Mom! Mom! You don't like me when I'm angry! Look away. Now I'm really angry! I'm mad at you! Oh no! It's my arch enemy! The Skittles! I'm gonna beat you up, my arch enemy! No, I'm gonna beat you up. Come here! Roar! 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 I know your secret weakness. You know how to strike without your wig. No, you're nothing but a chocolate-covered mothball. Alright, feel back to that. No one wants to eat you anymore. I'm delicious, and I'm candy-coated chocolate.
Oh no! They've been vanquished!
Now, what are you going to eat for snack food?
Skittles.
No! He's dead! I'm dead! No! He's the one who's
Twix candy bars!
I guess you're going to eat crackers.
With cheese!
And maybe some sour cream on top with some little sprinkled chives.
And milk.
Milk is always healthy, kids. And remember, if you read books, you will not do drugs. Stay in school, please.
Oh no. I'm scared.
You better be scared. Because eventually, I'll be out there. Eventually. We need Spencer.
This is Mackenzie jerking.
Should I jerk now?
Go.
Okay. I don't know if I can.
Go.
Okay.
Oh, that's embarrassing. I didn't know we were filming.
Really?
Oops.
Wow, Jacob, really? Okay.
Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk.
Okay. Here we go.
Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk.
Really? Okay, Jacob, ready?
Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk.
Ready? Okay. Put your leg
Teach her how
up.
to jerk. Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk.
Put your leg up. Put your leg up. Okay, ready?
Teach her how to jerk. 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 Teach her how to jerk.
Remember, I told you. Put your leg up.
One clap now, y'all. 2 jumps now, y'all. 3 jumps now, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Now side to the left. Side to the right.
Crisscross.
Crisscross. Everybody clap your hands. Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk. Teach her how to jerk. Can you go down low?
Oh,
Wait, down to the floor? Can you go down low? Can you bring it to the top? Like you're never gonna stop? Yeah. Teach her how to jerk. 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 Why does love always feel like a battlefield? A battlefield. A battlefield. Why does love always feel like